Hello guys, welcome to the Data Education Project video tutorial series for the Kotlin programming. And in this session number 2, we are going to learn how to display the message in the Kotlin program. So first of all, we are going to learn the structure of the program. In the Kotlin, we are using the fun. It was in the smaller fun for the function, or either you can say it for the method. You just need to write the word fun here. After fun, you will name the method main, and in this we are giving the arguments just like the method of arguments, and here we will use array and then use string in this. And after this we are going to create a code of block with curly braces, and here we will use println. In Java we are use system.out.println, but in Kotlin we are just using println, and just double quotes, hello dear students of the education. Okay. In Kotlin, we must provide a semicolon for the termination of the statement. And now we are going to run this project. Just click on run and then create a run button. Then it will show message. We are going to select the main.kt. Remember that .kt means Kotlin. And when you run this program, it will start building, and in a few seconds, if there are no error, then it will show us the output in here. Okay, it was building successfully. Just few seconds, it will show the code. Remember that why we are learning Kotlin, because officially Google announced that it was in May 2017 that it will be the next official language for the Android development. You can replace Java code with Kotlin simultaneously. And 100% interoperable with the Java and Android. First we will learn the Android for the beginners, and then we will create the project in the Android Studio with using Kotlin. If you have the new version, then you can go and see that in the tools we have the Kotlin. And if we will in the next few, after learning few lessons in the Kotlin, then we can go for the creating the Android app using the Kotlin language here. One more thing, the Kotlin will be the future language, and you can see that this message is successfully displayed on your screen. Hello students of the Data Education. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel for further videos. Allah Hafiz.